Finish.
What you doing?
Just going out to fetch my TV. You have a knife? No, it's okay.
Okay, I give
It's
you.
okay.
I want the 1 minute because big work. Don't forget subscribe Chip Dev Thailand and Yeah in Thailand ด้วยนะคะ ขอบคุณมาก Thank you so much for the watching video or subscribe. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye bye.
Right, so the TV has arrived. The box itself looks in good condition. We're going to do the unboxing. Make sure nothing is damaged. So here we go with the start. So we start with the delivery, which is here. So we'll put that on the chair. We've got plastic. We've got a knife. Okay. So that's the outer plastic off. Next we got these nylon straps. So let's cut them off. Okay. One. Two. So all good so far. Okay, to the box. Okay, so that's the box open. So we'll have a look to see what we've got inside. So we have one leg, two legs. So they're there.
Hello, handsome.
Shh! I'm doing a video. Then we have the power lead. Then we have instructions and the remote control. Okay. The first piece of polystyrene out. Thank you. Wait. Ah! You're going to start getting hurt until Amanda comes.
ติ๊งต่องเลดี้คำติ๊งต่องเลดี้คำเฮิร์ตเกน
So one of the side pieces, polystyrene. And the second piece. Okay, so we're now able to lift this TV out. I'll probably need a hand with that. So maybe cut the front of the box down and get in that way. Okay. Okay, so that's one side. That's another piece of protection. So now it's a matter of cutting this side and I'll be able to slide the TV out, hopefully. And there goes the blade. So we'll put that there. Do we have more blade? Yes we do. Right. So now we're more or less out. Okay. That is TV out. We'll be able to take a better look at it. I'll just move it back. So we'll take a look at the TV in a second. I'm just gonna move. It looks okay. So take this protective cover off it. That's one side. Two sides. Okay. So we'll take a look at the screen. There doesn't appear to be any damage to the screen, so that's good news. I'm going to turn the television round and take a look at the back of the TV. There's the back. just lean it up against the wall. Okay, so we look at the back of the TV. Looks pretty standard. So we'll have a look about mounting it on the wall. But so far it looks okay. We'll check it out when I turn the TV on. Right, so just about to plug TV in just to try it out. Not sure whether we have light or not. Let's have a look. We have picture. Press the OK button. Right. Okay.
Okay. Language. English. Check. To proceed to the next step, press the button at the bottom of the screen. The microphone is connected successfully. Volume 11, 12, 13, 8, 19, 20. Bahasa Indonesia. Français. Português. On check. English. Check. Next button. Country Australia check. To proceed to the next step, press the button at the bottom of the screen. Cambodia on check. Indonesia on check. New Zealand on check. Singapore on check. Sri Lanka on check. Vietnam on check. Thailand on check. Next button. Thailand on check. Thailand check. Vietnam unchecked. Next button. Vietnam unchecked. Thailand checked. Next button. Accessibility settings. After initial setup, you can access diverse settings via Home, Accessibility. Accessibility settings button. Adjust the visual and auditory settings to optimize your viewing environment. Accessibility settings. Configure vision and hearing functions to optimize your viewing experience. After initial setup, you can access diverse settings via Home, Accessibility. To proceed to the next step, press the button at the bottom of the screen. Audio guidance. On. Audio guidance reads menus and descriptions aloud and provides spoken feedback for user actions. Turn on this feature to navigate with only the directional buttons on remote. Scroll up or down with up down button. Down. Next. Downmost. If you turn audio guidance on, you can only move with left, right, up, down buttons on your remote, and some apps that require the pointer cannot be used. Are you sure you want to keep it turned on? Yes, no, no, button.
We have dinner. You go cook. Oi.
Ôi, bươn bươn bươn.
Good fire.